reporting from Long Beach. Do you hear all that purring in the background? Well, that's because today, Sean and I will be reviewing a 2016 Ford Mustang. Stay tuned!
Under the hood of this 2016 Mustang GT Premium Performance Package, we have a 5-liter V8 that stock pushes about 430 horsepower and about 400 pound-feet of torque. This model is a little bit special because it does have a good modification. Let's look a little closer over here. We have Paxton Supercharger attached here with an intake. And with this supercharger, with the amount of boost we're building, it's about 600 wheel horsepower in this bad boy. Another thing that stands out right away is the Mustang GT front strut bar. And this thing is riding on Bilstein springs, so it is extremely stiff and it handles like a dream. All right, let's look at the wheel setup and brakes for this 2016 Mustang. So on this car, we have Continental Extreme Contact 255 40ZR on 19-inch wheels. And these are extremely grippy, and you have 255s on the front. On the back tires, we have 295 35ZR 19 Continental Extreme Contacts, and also this car does come equipped with Brembo braking system. So when you're inside the car, I find it really cool that you could turn on the car. It's push to start, but it's kind of like a rocket ship. There's a little plastic cover on here that you can lift up, and when you push it in, it turns on the car. Beautiful, beautiful. And another thing I really like are these little gauges on the bottom here. They're very cool. You can turn on your hazard lights. Very solid feeling, kind of hard plastic. You could turn off the traction really easily. You can, change the mode of the car, go in normal, sport plus, track, and snow and wet. And this one, you can change the steering feel by these toggles as well, from normal, sport, or comfort. So I really like how easily you can change these things with very simple clicks. So here we have our climate controls and everything, but the cool thing is when you zoom back a little bit, you'll see the infotainment center, where you have a nice map view, and it's a pretty big screen. We have everything from audio, climate, and everything here is touch screen, which is really nice and receptive. You can attach your phone, navigation system, of course, easily connecting your phone. And let's see, in the settings system, you can also see everything here as well as the bottom here. So everything's very easily accessible here. At the top here, we do have some gauges which make the interior look really sporty. We have our VAC, our boost PSI boost gauge. We have our oil pressure gauges here as well. And we do have more digital gauges, where the odometer is as well. Here we have our odometer. You can see everything from your fuel levels, miles per hour, your RPMs, oil temperature. And then if you go through the screens of the odometer, you can see really cool info like your air to fuel ratios, your cylinder head temperature, inlet air temperature, voltage, things like that, how many miles to empty, tire pressures. You can kind of go through these, and you can see the analog and digital, which is pretty cool that you can switch between those. Turned on the seat coolers, and you'd be surprised by how quickly they make your bottom real icy cold. So that's a really nice point right there. Let's check out how to get into the back seat of this car. So I think it's pretty cool that there's a little button right over here that you can pop right off, and then you can go ahead and in the back of the middle of the seat right here, there's a latch you can pull, and that'll bring the seat and you can get in the back. Alrighty, so I've squeezed into the back seat of the Mustang, and I have no headroom. Literally none. And if I lean back into my seat, I cannot straighten my neck. So the back seat is not meant for any adults, and they have to be pretty small children to sit back here. Just for fun, let me go ahead and pull the seat back. The seat is scooted a little bit forward, so I can see that there's a little bit of knee space right over here, but you have to be pretty short to sit in the front seat right now. So I think the back seat is just more for storage space for most people. Charlene, can you go ahead and scoot the seat a little bit back, just like where my seat position was in the beginning? All right, it's on my shoes and it's hit my knee at this point, so that's good. So keep it there. I would say it's pretty comparable to my 2017 Camaro SS that I've had. I also have that review on my YouTube channel, so make sure to check that one out. But yeah, this is the back seat. It does look pretty nice. The seats are nicely bolstered under your buttocks. It does have black leather with white stitching, so it does look pretty cool back here. There's no storage or compartments in the back, basically because I don't think Ford thought we were going to use them or any people were going to sit back here. So you can see that there's no compartments, just kind of like a quarter armrest. Literally you get like 2 inches to rest your arm on. But yeah, so you can fit 2 small people back here. All right, now let's check out the trunk space in this car. The button is hidden right underneath the license plate here, and pretty easy to open, very light trunk. And you can see you have a decent amount of space here. I believe it's about a little over 13 square feet. And if you look in here, I believe that there's no spare tire, and you do have, it looks like a sub back here. Maybe it's part of the performance sound system. The exhaust you guys heard, yes, earlier in this video, it's the MBRP exhaust. Sounded very, very awesome. I love the crackles and pops when you downshift. This wing has been added. It's a carbon fiber wing. Makes it look a little bit more aggressive. And when we walk to the front, we'll see the front taillights have also been tinted. Matches with the black color of the car already. That front lip makes it look really aggressive as well. Love the look. Car is equipped with the 6-speed manual transmission. We do have a reverse lock, which we lift up, go forward, goes in reverse. You can see on the big screen you have a very nice camera, and when you turn your wheel, it also does adjust the camera as well. I thought that was a pretty cool feature on this car. So just in case you guys were wondering, this car does have a 16-gallon gas tank. And right now we've been averaging about 15 miles per gallon, driving spiritedly around Long Beach. I'm sure if you're on the highway and you're just, keeping a constant speed, I'm sure you can get the gas mileage up, but not too bad for 600 wheel horsepower.
Fun, but also I am happy to be on firm ground.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If there's any parts you liked or things that you want me to check out on future cars, please put them in the comment section below. Also, if you're located between LA and San Diego and you want me to review your car, please send me a message in the comments, or you can DM me on Instagram at HungryPersian.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye, everyone.
Thanks.